This Facebook post from Sunday shows swimmer Joshua Coy moments after he received crushing news.
I was apparently disqualified for being too fast.
He had competed in a regional competition for Special Olympics and says he made good time. It was a more than 15% improvement from his last recorded swim. And that was a red flag for the maximum effort rule. It's something Special Olympics Washington introduced to help place athletes in competition divisions where they're challenging athletes of similar abilities. It caught his mom, Jean, by surprise.
We had been swimming regionals for many years, and this is the first time they've had the rule for swimming too fast.
Joshua attributes his strong swim in part to a pool colder than he's used to. He says it helped him move faster.
I tried to push harder.
But his first place turned into a participation ribbon, and he was not the only one.
At least I've heard the person in front of me also got disqualified.
They say it happened to one swimmer after another.
And there were some girls crying in the hallway, saw lots of tears, people crying.
His mom protested with this Facebook post. Others spoke up too, and Special Olympics Washington responded. Tonight, this statement from the organization. After statistical analysis of data collected from recent region tournaments, we're reassessing and will be changing the violation threshold to 30% so that only those with the most serious variances will be disqualified. Joshua's time falls below the 30% threshold, which means his disqualification is overturned and he will receive another medal to add to his collection. More motivation to keep doing his best. In Renton, Natalie Swaby, King 5 News.